welcome back to Microsoft Build. Show floor. All right, I'm here to introduce you to my fabulous new friend, Dexter Hardy. Dexter, welcome to Build. Thank you so much for joining us.
Oh, it's a pleasure to be here. Dexter Hardy, CTO, President and CTO of Ntegral Inc. out of Atlanta, Georgia.
Awesome. So tell me about your business, what you work on now, and the origin story, which I found very fascinating.
Okay, so simply put, we help companies move to the cloud. So we leverage our solutions, help, and build on top of the Azure Marketplace, and allow customers to innovate, leverage AI, and migrate their Linux estate to Azure.
Okay, so you've been a Microsoft partner for a long time, since 02-ish,
Yep.
right? Okay, and you were a Microsoft partner till the pandemic. I mean, you still are. So tell us what happened. What did you used to do in your business before the pandemic?
So since 2002, we've been a Microsoft partner. And during that time, we were a traditional SI,
Okay.
so systems integrator.
Yeah.
And so we would do app development, migrations, custom development. So we did a myriad of things around the Microsoft ecosystem. And then this small thing called COVID happened. And in 2021, we pivoted our business to think about consulting 2.0 and how to provide resources or our IP in a world where you may not be connected anymore. And so what we did was we took our IP with the power of the Azure Marketplace, bundled those up as solution accelerators, and that was literally the shot heard around the world.
Wow.
The first year we were in 44 countries, and by the end of the second year we were in over 100 countries.
Over 100 countries?
Over 100 countries.
Okay, so what we're hearing is a tale of product market fit, yeah?
Absolutely.
And you know, because you've run your own business for so long, that finding product market fit is hard. But once you find it, you just go with it.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah. And
Okay.
so,
Awesome.
our customers found value in our products, so we created products with value, and the market showed that, right? So we have anywhere from 300 to 400 downloads a week of our
300 to
solution.
400 downloads.
A week.
Congratulations. Okay, so you've really leaned into the Microsoft ecosystem and some of the programs that we work with, you know, the communities on. Do you mind sharing that? Because a lot of people don't know about them.
Okay, so some of the communities, and they are very valuable to the being a part of the Microsoft Partner Program, getting engaged with IAMCP. We're also engaged with Women in Cloud. We're one of the allies or supporters of Women in Cloud, which is also supported by Microsoft. And we're also a member of BAPG, which is the Black Partner Growth Initiative, and BCPA.
That is awesome. So you've really leaned into the partner program, you've leaned into the ISV program, and you're able to go and reach customers where they're at, building the solutions they need.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think are some of the things what is the life coaching you'd give other businesses and companies like yourself? What would you advise them to do? Because you've been so successful. They want to hear from you. They don't want to hear from me who's not done this. Yes.
So first and foremost, if you haven't heard of the Azure Marketplace, find out about the Azure Marketplace, because it gave us the ability to go from a regional consulting company to now having a global presence without us having to scale into all of those regions.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like that. And what else? Sorry, I cut you off. Yep.
No, and so once you do that, the first thing that I would say is find a product of value, get it deployed to the marketplace, and again, there are resources available. The ISV Success program is a tremendous help. The team, they have different concierge programs that will help you from a technical architect standpoint, as well as getting it deployed into the marketplace. So once you get that there, again, there's over 4 million active users in the Azure Marketplace, and now you have the ability to market to them.
I love that. Azure Marketplace, ISV Success program.
Yep.
But first of all, like the Microsoft Partner Program.
Become a Microsoft.
Become a Microsoft partner.
Absolutely.
Step one, Azure Marketplace, ISV Success program. Do the thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any homework for everyone? Call to action.
Call to action. So become a Microsoft partner, first and foremost. Second, focus on community, because the community is what brings everyone together and gives your brand the ability to expand. The third thing, and I would say they're kind of two together, when you're developing your solution in the marketplace, always think value first. So again, when you're doing SIs, you're always delivering value with your customer. So focus on value, and then the marketplace will give you the amplification that you need.
I love that. Thank you so much for joining us.
Absolutely.
And please have the best time at Build.
I am plan on it. It's a great.
Y'all too.